Hi, how are you today? Welcome to our next lesson. Our lesson for today in Nkwen language is types of foods. Ooh, boba la sene. Ana yishi ina mam de mazirin zina zai senwe. Mazirin mina senwe buzo ina Əbǝŋtǝ Mǝ. Əbǝŋtǝ Mǝ zo mabine zo ina zo. Mabine ninjio. Abine kwema bing sene me. Tinganin shi. Let's answer these questions before we proceed. Mo bo ninjia mbonka mjienzia bo. Bo ninjia mbonka mjienzia bo. What types of food do you eat at home? We have rice and stew, rice and beans, achu and yellow soup, so many of them. Binedzine ko ninjia ki, mukuma karanjia mkangte, aban ninjia kanga. Mjemia dringa bia benum foa mbonka mjiefo. Benum foa mbonka mjiefo. What types of crops do we harvest from the farm? There are many of them. Yams, cocoyams, beans, maize, corn, pumpkins, bananas, plantains. Mjemoma mufufo mga makabu nungonga mukungwa sanga mubo nungonga mumbo. Bene la mjia bukan la njia ji. Fiana mulwen mumjia bu njia ja. Bene la mjia bukan la njia ji. Fiana mulwen mumjia bu njia ja. Food is often prepared with its accompanying soup. Name some dishes and their accompanying soups. Bene zoine ko ninjia ki, zoine mukuma karne njia mkangte, zoine ban njia kanga. Zoine abana kasar bo ero lanin zoine mjemia mga amabine lanji. We have foods like watafufu and ero, rice and beans, rice and stew, corn fufu and vegetable leaves, so many of them. Let's name the different food crops harvested from the farm in Nkwen language. Abineti intong la mulwen mumjie mumamu fufo na bong na la. Mjema bu fu ofo. Mjema bu fu ofo. Ngwa sanga, corn. Edzo, yams. Munjie, granuts. Fundenga, bambara granuts. Makabe, cocoyams. Muku, beans. Cassava. Nebo'o, pumpkin. Nungonga, plantains. Mumbo, bananas. Mutu'umeti, tree potato or aerial yam. Mutu'umekara, Irish potato. Ndonga, a type of cocoyam. Mumbanga, sweet potatoes. Kuula, type of cocoyam. Ntagala, a type of cocoyam. Kuibu, a type of cocoyam. Good. Let's name the food crops again in Nkwen language. Abi bun tong temulwen mumujemi na bok na la. Ngwa sanga. Edzo. Munjie. Fundenga. Makabe. Muku. Kasar. Mubo'o. Nungonga. Mumbo. Mutu'umeti. Mutu'umekara. Ndong. Mumbanga. Kuula. Ntagala. Kuibu. Liaba Əbǝŋtǝ Mǝ zo mabine fufo. Those are the different food crops harvested from the farm in Nkwen. Abine zamije malana mate mabine join mo ala amambene. Cooked food that are found in Nkwen village. Mujia malana. Cooked food. A koonenjaneki. Achu and yellow soup. This is the main traditional dish of the Nkwen people. A koonenjaneki. Achu and yellow soup. Ngwasang na minjia, corn and granuts, corn and peanuts, ban ninjiankanga, corn fufu and huckleberry leaf, kara ninjiamakante, rice and stew. Those are some of the cooked food that they eat in Nkwen village. Yaba mi jia ma lan mo ma ta ma bi ne jia mo dui ga la bi ne zame ti song no mi. Abi ne ti izanyu zo ma mi jia no ngu. Let's now have a reading passage on what food does in our body. What is the use of food in the body? What is the use of food in the body? We have to answer this question in this reading exercise. And the music ne ze bi ne kuya mo bing ni minga. The question we are going to answer in this reading exercise is, what is the use of food in the body? What is the use of food in the body? Let's read. Abine tongte. Makabe nengung azo mbasang ne kasar fiameten nongu. Makabe nengung azo mbasang ne kasar fiameten nongu. Cocoyams, plantains, yams, corn, and cassava give energy. Meko na ngu nebong nungu nenzanga uronongu nrena no kwe. Meko na ngu nebong nungu nenzanga uronongu nrena no kwe. Beans, meat, egusi, eggs, crayfish build muscles. Ngwete fonjan tsama. Fia eling nongu bobo vitamin. Meten metie megona. Bo vitamin be meten metie megona. Ngwete fonjan tsama. Fia eling nongu bobo vitamin. Vitamin bia be meten metie megona. All vegetables give us blood and vitamins, the power to fight diseases. Menta meti ma jiene, fia meten meto megona. Menta meti ma jiene, fia meten meto megona. Fruits give us the power to fight diseases. Nkiru meje chian shiina, nkenfa shiina nongu. Nkiru meje chian shiina, nkenfa shiina nongu. Water helps food to digest and makes our body function well. Mawru nenefung nena, fia nefung nongu, ma ner nongu lungte. Mawuru nenefung nena, fia nefung nongu, ma ner nongu lungte. Oils and fats give fat to the body and makes the body warm. Abong. Having it imun tong tela, ne bong nela. Now let's read in Nkwen language. Makabe nengung azo mbasang ne kasare fia meten nongu. Meko na ngu ne bong nongu nenzanga uru nongu nrena no kwe. Ngwete fonjantem fia ling nongu bo vitamin. Bo vitamin ma be meten metie megona. Menta menti ma jiene, fia meten meto megona. Nkiru meje chian shiina, nkenfa shiina nongu. Mobru na fung na fia na fung nongu ma na ru nongu lungte a bong. Bine bubu gani shizi ibinyumaga atene bong la. We shall continue to learn more in the Nkwen mother tongue. See you in the next lesson. Bine bubu zana tamazi irin mu mamazongu.